So if you're thinking about supporting the show as a monthly member, then you are getting all the best things I have to offer, no questions asked. Now, I don't play games with people's money here trying to sell you on tiers and perks. We keep it real simple here. I just have 2 tiers, a hero and a legend. The first tier is called hero because out of all 280,000 subscribers, only 0.07% are able to support the channel as a member. So if you're part of that 0.07%, then believe me when I say, from my perspective, seeing you feels like seeing a unicorn, because that is literally how rare members like you are to me. So if you're a member, you get ad-free early access to all my content, and you also get access to my private members-only Discord, which is where you can see me and my team working together, creating new content behind the scenes before it gets organized into videos. And most importantly, you also get access to the assets that I create here on the channel. So if you see something like an animation or an environment or a blueprint that you like, just DM me on Discord and it's yours. Also, a big thing that I hear from my community is often you guys want to leave a comment on a video to help boost the algorithm, but you don't actually have anything to say, and so you end up just not leaving a comment, which is a travesty of the highest level. So in order to fix that, I've made special emojis for all my members that you can use to say deep things like algorithm, or algo, or yes, or hell yes. I have a whole list of emojis of things that you can say if you don't know what to say. So if you want to support a video but you don't know what to say, just use the algorithm emoji. That's what it's for. And the last thing that I got for you guys, which I have spent a considerable amount of time on, is new custom designed badges to distinguish you in the comments from everyone else. Now, a lot of the advice I saw when designing these was to make the first badge when you sign up simple and boring so that it gets cooler as members unlock the new ones. But I personally hate that philosophy because I think that if you're one of the 0.0% of people who support the channel monthly, I don't want your first badge to look ugly and lame. I want it to look badass, and I want you to feel cool and proud to have it next to your name. So I've gone out of my way to personally design and make sure that all the badges, even the first one, looks nice and clean. And it follows the classic bronze, silver, and gold level structure. Hey, making your name look good is the least I can do to show my appreciation. I know it's not much, but it's all I got. And really, that's pretty much everything I have. There's no extra secret content after the hero tier. The legendary tier is really just for anyone who wants to go above and beyond, knowing they've done everything they possibly could to support the show. If you are blessed enough to support at this level, then just know I will probably know you by name, because I'll be pinning it at the top of each video in the pinned comment, cementing you as a legend in the history of this channel forever. So if any of that sounds good to you, then welcome aboard. Can't wait for you to meet the squad, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.